Shh. You've been there. Hours wasted chasing auto parts online. Wrong parts, fake brands. No one replies. Feels like the Wild West, doesn't it? Now, meet your new favorite pit stop, FTONLINE. Fast, trusted, 100% online. No guesswork, no delays. We specialize in authentic, Japan-made auto parts straight from trusted sources. Whatever you're fixing, we've got you covered. And if you need help, our expert team responds fast. Like, actually fast. Over 10,000 happy customers choose us again and again. Rated 5 stars for quality, service, and speed. Because we don't just sell parts. We deliver peace of mind. With FTONLINE, you get fast part lookup by number or model, verified OEM sources, easy checkout and international delivery, custom price options for businesses, and no sketchy surprises. Why waste time anywhere else? It's time to level up your auto parts game. Tap to explore FTOnline.co and never look back.